Hi guys, it's me. Today I'll be showing how to add sounds in Drawing Cartoons 2 and put them on YouTube. Okay, so first things first, you download Drawing Cartoons 2. Second, you download RS file manager, then Zegde. Okay, so you can just search them up on the Play Store. After that, just make an animation, a random animation. And then after that, when you're done, just go to your animation. Don't leave it, okay? Python. Just give me a minute. Okay. Then press export, save as video. After that, when it's done exporting, right, it'll be sent to your gallery, and then you'll see it in here somewhere, right? Then after that, when it's there, right, just click on it and press this and save it to drive, right? After that, download Power Director. I'll leave a link to all of those. Then after that, you just press new project, any number you want, and just do that. Just go to Google Drive, right? Then it will show you these animations, right? Then after that, yeah, that's it. And then you go download Zegde too. Then search up any sound you want. After that, you want to oh shoot. After that, you wanna search up the sound, right? And then like splash or blood. After that, just go to sounds, then click on it to hear it. You can go to this because after that, you favorite, press these three lines up here, and then download it. And then after that, go back to Power Director, and then just go here, edit project, go to this and this, ringtone or notification. Okay, so that's it. Bye guys, I hope you